Oh my god, I can't believe we had to get a new dog. I cannot believe we have a new dog. And I'm sick and tired of it. I know what you do to Pudding. Oh, I know what to do. I'll feed Pudding some chocolate. But first, I'll get a chocolate. Oh, there it is on the table. Now I get a cow. Pudding. Pudding, come here. I have some chocolate for you. So, come on, eat it. Yeah, I hope you like it. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Who's dead? Uh-oh. Oh, no, not Pudding. No. Crayonlove72, what happened to the dog? Nothing much. I know what happened. I think Pudding killed himself with a gun. No, he didn't kill himself with a gun. I think you're lying. Let me check the security cameras and see if you're telling the truth or not. Oh no. Pudding, come here. I have some chocolate for you. So, come on, eat it. Yeah, I hope you like it. Yeah, he's dead. So, Crayonlove72, are you saying that you feed Pudding by using chocolate? Yes. Oh my goodness! Crayonlove72, I cannot believe you feed your own dog chocolate. Did you know that feeding your dog chocolate was dog abuse? No. Well, you sure did. Now that's it. Now we have to buy a new dog because of you. That's it. You're grounded until we get the new dog. Now go to your room and think about what you did.